Hey, 218 Grow Guy here, coming at y'all with just a quick video update on what's going on with me today. Today I'm going to be taking these plants here and moving them over to bigger pots because right now they have outgrown their little cups and absorbing water at a faster rate. So by tonight these plants will be laying down, so get them in a bigger pot so they can those roots can have a little bit more room to stretch out. So that way, you know, my job is just to keep them healthy until they're picked up. So that's one of the projects I got going on today. And I also will be moving this one to my outdoor garden today. And just by the weight of these cups, yeah, I watered these last night and they are already dry. So yeah, they need a little bit more space. And then of course I got my beautiful outdoor veggies going on down here that'll be making their way out to the garden at some point. And then just checking in on the hydros over here, my photos, chilling. Tomorrow will be maintenance day. I just thought I'd give y'all kind of a quick peek, you know, day before I come in here and mess them up. So these will be the new pots for the plants that we're going to be moving over today. So we'll be getting to that, but let's go see what's happening here. Coming on outside here. As we can see over here, these are my autos. You know, they're going to be getting some water today. That's why they're kind of looking a little sad. And then these here, you know, like I said, I just don't foresee them making it, but we're going to keep on, give them as much opportunity to bounce back. I did already lose one, so sad times in the garden, but sometimes, you know, these are things that a grower goes through. And once again, you know, these over here, this is the same compost dirt that I used that messed these up, but I'm just watering a little different. Once again, I brought these outside so that way when I do water them, I can water them all the way through and just soak the heck out of it. So that way it's going to hold those nutrients long enough to feed and keep the plant healthy. That's the plan. again, highly concentrated. I'm only going to be adding in probably maybe less than a half a teaspoon of this stuff. But we'll be checking in. We'll be seeing where the ppms is at once I'm done refilling this bucket. And I'll be back shortly to see where we at. Alright, now that I got my water all tapped off, let's check in and see where those ppms are looking like. Ooh. So because this one is still sitting at about that 1300 range, I am not going to be adding anything to my reservoir today. So that will stay status quo. Alright, pH is looking good in that one, so I can cover you back up. Then as you notice that now the only thing in this tent is, this plant here, my photo. This one was moved over from the grow room, over to this location. So this plant is going to be much bigger, much healthier, much happier in a new location. And my goal is just throughout the stretch process is to just kind of continue to stretch these down, keeping that plant open as much as I can, trying to get as much top growth as I can up through there. That's kind of what the goal of it is, making sure ain't nothing being pinched off, trapped. But for right now, that's how that grow is looking. So once again, 218 Grow Guy here, coming in with you with a quick video on my maintenance today. Like I said, I did do a lot yesterday, so it was much easier and quicker today. All I did was topped off my reservoirs and added any extra nutrients or additives that I needed to add to bring them back up where they needed to be at, and did my pH. So other than that, for this day of maintenance, it is done. Quick, fast, and easy. Once again, 218 Grow Guy here saying keep your eyes to the sky, stay blessed up, because the good Lord is looking down on you. Until my next video, 218 Grow Guy, I'm out.